Okay, so we want to make this into a movie, right? Definitely. This should be a movie. So we can drag our camera, and now I could shoot a movie. We could also, just like we've done in our previous projects, if I want to bring the Cloner 3 area up higher, I can add that in as an object inside the scene and have them raise up. I have my cloner. Yes, I got Cloner 3 in there, and I want to transform it based upon its Z location. And started at 0, I'll jump over here to the end, and we're going to add a new keyframe. So have it come up. I had 120 frames, so it's about 2 seconds long when it's done. So it's going to be pretty fast. There we go. So that's our first motion design project. We created waves. We were able to add objects to it. I'm not 100% happy with my not Legos, but we can play. It could be any object. It doesn't have to be those. I just simply use that as an example. So we could go with anything in this, though. It could be cubes, spheres, very small rocks, anything we wanted to use. So if you want to be more creative than this for the assignment that's due Thursday, you are welcome to do so. But this should get you started doing it. My plan is on Thursday, I would like to do a product. So I'm going to take something, put it on a turntable, have it revolve on the turntable, and add some more effects for motion design like we would see in a commercial.